Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You first verify the Ultra UX theme version and ensure OS compatibility, because mismatched versions break the UI. Once done, enable developer mode or admin privileges so you can write files. You then install a reliable archiver like 7-zip and create a full backup folder. Copy the original theme files there. Now launch the Patcher app. Choose the target theme package and confirm the patch profile so the tool edits the correct assets. You load the theme package into the Ultra UX patcher and pick the preset that matches your goal, or create a custom rule set if you need specific tweaks. Then apply asset swaps, CSS, icon sprites, and resource maps, using the preview window to inspect visual diffs before writing. When the patcher detects conflicts, decide to replace or merge. Make sure to keep a changelog of changed files. This way you can revert single assets without restoring the entire backup. You finish by running the built-in validation and performing a light restart of the desktop or app so changes load cleanly. Inspect key UI areas, menus, dialogues, and widgets to confirm consistent behavior. If something breaks, restore single files from your backup to quickly isolate the problematic asset rather than reverting everything. Make sure to document the final patched version and save a copy of the patched package for reuse. That record speeds future updates and troubleshooting if you need to roll back or reapply changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.